Hey, what's going on, guys? In my previous video I have shown you guys how to style a link. In this video we are going to see how to style a table. First of all, in order to create a table, I'm going to type something on the body. Let's go to body and then create the table right here. Open table like this and then close the table with \table, and then inside the table I'm going to create rows to tr and then close it with \tr, and then inside of this one I'm gonna type something. To type something we have to put td and close it with \td. Between that I'm gonna just type I love Taliban. Okay, that's it, and I'm gonna copy this one 3 times. And then I'm going to copy the entire thing 1 time and paste it down right here. Okay, now when we run this, it's going to appear like this. Okay, now we are going to create a border with a red line for this. Now let's see how to do that. To do that, I'm going to go to style, and then since we are going to border the red line, I'm going to put table because the whole thing is table. Table, and then create the border. To create the border I put border right here, and then 3 pixel solid blue. Okay, now we are gonna have a blue color border. When I refresh this one, you can see a blue color border. The next thing is I'm gonna color everything with yellow color. To do that, I'm gonna put tr. I'm gonna color the tr into yellow color. Background color yellow. Semicolon, close this one. When I refresh this one, you can see everything turned into yellow. And now I'm gonna put a dot line around each of this. To do that, I'm gonna put td border 2px dashed red. Okay, now close this one, and when I run this, you can see it comes like this. That's how we actually design or style a table using XHTML and CSS. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys in next video.